Good morning, guys, from Mazatlan. You can see it's not really sunny today. It's early, it's 8 a.m. I've been up since 4, didn't have a very good sleep at all. Just one of those nights, restless, holy moly. And I had a plan to get up early, make a video, go for a walk. And it was so great, I just sat and I drank a couple cups of coffee and watched some videos. And anyway, now I'm out, just left the house, sitting down at the neighbor's step, got the camera ready, good to go. I figure walk down to Central and I'll show you some things. A lot of people watching this channel look like they're going to be new to Mazatlan, and I thought I'd show you where the post office is, where cowboy is, the cable company, where you pay your water bill, all that sort of stuff. Make a loop through Central, walk back up to Mazatlan, back to the house. And it's actually sprinkling just a little hint of rain, almost like a wet fog. And it did rain for almost a minute this morning. That's the first rain in months. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
There he's chirping. Yeah, there's a little rain on the lens. Look at that. It's a nice day. I think it's 24 degrees, 78 degrees Fahrenheit, no wind. That's funny. Start out with the camera and it starts raining. Oy. Pavement's actually getting down. Buenos días. Yeah, something I was thinking about last night is Mexican bills. It's quite different from Canada, and I'm sure the USA too, although I've never lived there. But, like my rent's due on the 19th of the month. I've never had rent due on the 19th of the month in Canada. And I used to rent apartments out. I've never rented anybody out an apartment on the 19th of the month. It's always on the 1st. So what happens here is we looked at the apartment and said we'd take it on the 19th. So that's when they draw up the lease. And you pay on the 19th. Instead of prorating it for part of 2 weeks and changing it to the 1st. Your electricity bill, which they call the loose here. Loose means light, the light bill. So your loose, mine's due like on, some months it's the 22nd, some months it's the 24th. Same thing with the water bill. Somewhere around 21st of the month. So just something to be aware of. You gotta watch that. Let's go across here while the going's good. Hear that whistling? Cool, that's the knife sharpener. Get kitchen knives you need sharpened. You hear that? You go out and he's the pro. He'll sharpen them for you. Yeah, see, he's got a little grinding wheel on his shoulder. So there, something new today. So now when you move to Mazatlan, you know to listen for that sound if you need your kitchen knives. Knife is a cuchillo. Oh, boy. This would not be a good day for a motorcycle. What happens is that it's hot here, hot all the time. The cars drip and drip and drip a little bit of oil on the pavement. You get a little bit of rain on that like this. Holy moly, is it slippery on a motorcycle. When is this? There's music playing, so somebody's up and about. That's the gymnasium. You guys that live here in Mazatlan, you may or may not be interested. I've got a beautiful Nikon camera, P, like Papa 900. It's about $1,000 new, 2.5, 3 years ago. And I don't really have any use for it anymore because I bought this little Panasonic because I'm vlogging all the time. This one's smaller and lighter and I can carry it easier. So I don't carry the big one. But if you have a car or a motorcycle and you travel a bit and you want to take great pictures, that Nikon is awesome. It takes photos and video. I get 2 batteries with it, a dustproof case for it, charger for it, and a 16 gigabyte memory card, and I want 8,000 pesos for it, $400 US. So if you're interested, give me a buzz, Dwight Burditt at gmail.com. And it works perfectly, and it looks like brand new. Buenos dias. I'll never be able to say buenos dias the way they do. So here we are down by the cathedral. You can tell from my place, even up on Icebox Hill, it's not a very long walk. I don't know how long I've been going. 15 minutes, maybe. Well, I spent some time setting up the camera, maybe 10 minutes. These beautiful flowers up there. That's nice. Too many rain spots to see them. This is City Hall in Mazatlan here, right in front of the cathedral. Now you can pay your water bill in there. My water bill is usually 84 pesos. So that's $4.20 per month US. And last month it was 93 pesos. Don't know why. I don't know if that's an increase or if we just use more water or what happened. Still, it's not much. Yeah, it's right in that square center arch there under the balcony. Go in there and the door's right in there to go in and pay your water bill. Or you can go over to the OXXO over here. Or any OXXO for that matter, or kiosco. and you can pay your water bill and your light bill. This oxo, they got the sign in white and black. I guess that's in deference to the square. Here's a fun fact for you. That's the only oxo I know of in Mazatlan that doesn't sell beer. And I think it's because it's right in front of the cathedral. Not sure about that, but that's what I think. I'm in the dry here. I thought he was walking a dog. Where the hell's the dog? It's a hose. This is Mazatlan's only post office. Yeah, right there. Just where that gentleman came out. See if I can zoom in here for you. See above the door. Oop. This is Couriers de Mexico. That Couriers means mail. So you've learned another word in Spanish. And email is correos electrónico. Simple enough. But let me tell you a story about the mail. It doesn't get used like it does in Canada and the United States down here. Like you hardly ever see a mailman. There's a little mail truck over there. Those are really rare. Most of the time, you'll see the mailmen riding little motorcycles. But mail is just not as reliable as it is in Canada and the U.S. A friend of mine from Nova Scotia who used to live down here, his kids would send him something for Christmas, and they'd put it in the mail in Greenwood, Nova Scotia in late October, early November. We'd always have a party in early February opening his Christmas presents. That's how bad it can be. I have sent stuff north, and it's got there fairly quickly. It's like 3 or 4 days. But coming south, boy, I don't know what happens. You gotta have your mandatory music Friday morning. Maybe we'll see some of the little postal motorcycles down here. Sometimes they're parked down here. They'll have it at breakfast. Yeah. There's one of the little postal motorcycles across the street. See the big saddlebags on it. That's what they look like. But the big companies here are like Coppel is one of the big department stores. If they bring you a bill, it's one of their own employees that brings it to you. Any packages you order from Amazon. Yeah, here's another Correo Mexico moto. Tells you got a few miles on it. Yeah, Amazon and the like, they use couriers. And I don't prefer any one of them, but alphabetical order. There's DHL, FedEx, and UPS down here. And they're all pretty reliable. I was thinking we were going by the... where you get your cable, but... No, that's the next block over. Anyway, we saw the motorcycles. Sorry about the rain on the lens. I don't want to go and clean it off with a tissue. Only going to rain some more. Maybe I should try. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. It's alright, I guess. We'll go around here. I'll show you where Mega Cable is one of the cable TV options. This street is Achilles Sedan. It's the main street that runs by the market. Really, it's sort of the main street of Mazatlan. The Woolworths up there. I don't know why he's turning in there. Where is Mega Cable? Yeah, this is it here. Right across from the Woolworth. Mega Cable. And we had them for a cable provider when we first lived, or when I first lived here. Lupita's been here all her life. We had an apartment over by the library. And I got a Mega Cable subscription. And it's a good customer for 2 years. And we moved to an apartment down in Plaza. And I asked them to move my subscription to the new apartment. Oh, we can't do that. Why not? Well, the guy that was in the apartment before you never paid his bill. What's that got to do with me? I don't even know who he is. He's gone. No, can't do it. Really? I don't understand that logic, but that's what I was told, so we don't have Mega Cable anymore. Now I go to, I can never think, Telmex, I guess it is. It's either Telmex or Telcel. What the hell? And I thought it was down here, but it's actually back up a couple blocks. I would do that another day. Now I'm going to walk out to the Mazatlán and walk home if you want to come for the walk. This little store over here with all the blue door sills, Cathedral, they sell Panama hats. Well, lots of different kinds of hats. Stetson cowboy hats. Good little place. Reasonable prices. Gamero here. Doesn't look like much from the front. It's not very big, but it goes a long way back. It's a great little hardware store. The other day I did a video about the Olympia bar. People ask me, where is that? Well, here's the cathedral. Just look this way. Put on this girl's umbrella. Right there is the Olympia bar. Just the next block from the cathedral. They don't have any AC in there, so I don't recommend going in there in the summertime. You get barbecued. It's just got a tin roof. Try to clean this lens again for you. I got good lens tissue home. Of course, I don't have any with me. I guess that's better. I hate to scratch up a nice Leica lens. It's one of the things that makes this camera so good. It's really kind of raining now. Get under this eave of the city hall, it'd be better. Head over to Machado Plaza. And if this rain doesn't lighten up, it's going to be it for this video. Put the camera away, keep it dry. Well, we'll go look at the plaza. Yeah, water dripping off the brim of my hat. Buenos dias. It's the first rain, jeez, I don't know since when, November, December maybe? It's a great city to own a convertible in, especially in the wintertime when it's not too hot. You can go around with the top down. It's never going to rain. You know this gentleman. Hola Luis, ¿cómo estás, amigo? Bien. Bien. We're in on a photo shoot here. Added bonus, no extra charge for that. Hey, last time I was in the Plaza, I think it was a Friday, and the gas truck was going up Pedro and Lola. He's here again today. I love the name, Gas Plaza. Yeah, I'm going to see if I can find a place in the dry here and put my camera away and call this video a wrap. Getting a little too wet to be walking around with good camera. There we go, right here. So thanks for coming for the walk, guys. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I don't know what happened there. Camera went nuts. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.